cause the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't told me yet, but he got motion. Made a
Hey man, we just got here. Doing some of the work. So it's fucking hot as in here. Literally, like, it's hot as hell. So, what we finna do? We'll do a little arm workout. Mainly my biceps. Work on my biceps. And probably some triceps, I don't know. And a little chest. A little set too. But yeah, man. I'm really tired, I'm not gonna cap. I really was not feeling coming to the gym or some shit, like, at all. I was not feeling coming to the gym at all. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I haven't been in a good minute, so why not? Hey, ladies, that is not what you think it is. I probably did that with my clippers. Ain't nobody been sucking on my head. I don't do those things, no cap. But yeah, man, let's get in this work, you feel me? Let's do it. Tired. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Come on, man, this is good content, you feel me? But yeah, man, finna go to the crib. I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. I think these folks finna close anyway, but yeah. YouTube, so we back, bro. I got to the crib, and it's like, now I'm hungry, you feel me? Like, nigga hungry as hell, not gonna cap. And I feel like, bro, I haven't been able to. I don't know if it's just me or some shit. Oh my god, my camera finna go dead. But fuck it, we gonna take it out. I don't know if it's just me, but I haven't been able to eat like meat like that because I don't know. It's like my body, it don't reject it, but I feel nasty to a sort. Like some meats, I just can't eat. Like a hamburger, I can't eat a hamburger. If I eat a hamburger, it's like shit. Like I feel so disgusted or my stomach starts to hurt. I don't know what's going on. Comment down below if y'all like that too. I don't know this shit. I don't know. So I feel like I just really need like I can eat white meat. Like I feel like I need like a salad or some shit. So as of right now, I think that's what I'm finna go do. Probably finna go Chick-fil-A. Get like a Cobb salad with chicken, white chicken with spicy chicken on the top or something like that. I just can't eat nothing greasy, beef. Like I don't need all that. what we finna do, finna go eat right now, get a little salad, go to Chick-fil-A. Good thing I got a gift card for that shit too. So we finna go to Chick-fil-A, get our good eats, and then come back to this mess. Because, yeah, you feel me? I'm not, nobody waiting that long. But yeah, I'll be back with y'all when we in a car type shit, cause, yeah, I'll be back. DJ?
What can I get you?
Can I get a Cobb salad without tomato though? Is there any way I can get like
I'm gonna let you swipe this at the window. Okay. Because my thing's not working.
Oh, so good? Okay, you just, I told them folk no tomato and they still put tomato on shit. Like, what the fuck going? If y'all go to Chick-fil-A, try Cobb salad. Try the Cobb salad with spicy filet. You feel me? I usually get the grilled, but I don't know. I just seen the spicy filet, so I was like, I'm gonna try that motherfucker. See what this talking about. See what this shit talking about type shit. And what dressing you want, bro. Make sure it's cold. Avocado, lime, ranch. Focus. Focus. Yeah, the avocado motherfucker. That shit go crazy. I hate avocado, but it tastes nothing like avocado. Like, I'm telling y'all, boys. Y'all boys and girls, I'm telling y'all, that shit go nuts. But y'all finna see the camera. Hold on. Hopefully. I'm trapping on the camera right now. Hopefully I got enough storage. If that motherfucker go out, I won't be able to see it. I'm just out of luck. Because I'm using my back camera. I just realized these motherfuckers don't give me no Ford. Stupid ass. Wait, hold on. Wait. They might have got me. Hold on, shit. My fault, Please, I'm sorry. I forgot who I'm telling the Chick-fil-A. Never slipped up like that. But yeah, man. This motherfucker finna hit. I was gonna eat, get straight to, you feel me, clean up my room and shit, but like, nah. I want to talk to y'all, like, I ain't got nothing better to do, so shit, why not? Finna fuck the video up. If I don't be eating too much. But nah, man, I just be wondering, like, how y'all think, like, I be having a lot on my mind, like, I'm an overthinker type shit, but it's like, I don't let people know I'm an overthinker, so you wouldn't even know type shit, like, I'm letting y'all know, of course, because, you feel me, y'all gang, you feel me, I fuck with y'all, so, but like, if I'm, alright, let me say, like, a lie should be running through my mind, like, do it, like, on a daily, like love type shit, like, bro, I honestly, my fault. I honestly, like, be thinking about love and shit, like, when I say I don't think I ever been in love type shit. Like, in love, I done had love for someone. Like, I didn't care deeply, you know, I didn't care about someone, but it's like love. Nah, I don't think I experienced that. Like, and I don't know why. I done been in relationships. I don't know if it's I don't let myself get to that point type thing, or on some shit, motherfuckers just want to eat, or motherfuckers just want to one type shit. I don't know, like, but shit crazy, bro. Like, it's just crazy, bro. And I'm not against love. It's just, I don't force it. You feel me? I'm not finna force nothing. Like, yes, I could easily be, I ain't gonna lie. I can be in a relationship. I can be with this girl, but it's like, why do that? It's like I'm trying to get myself straight. I'm trying to get myself together. I got other shit to worry about. Like, I got other shit to, you feel me? Like, tend to priorities. Like, I'm not even at the point to where, nah, I can't do it, bro. But there are females that I would, you feel me, like, consider it, but there's no point in doing that with them when it's like, getting a relationship with them or fucking with them when it's like, if I don't got myself together and I'm not right or ready for this shit type shit, and I just force myself, like I said, I don't force it. I force myself on it because you want it, or I want to get in a relationship or talk to you because you want me to. Yes, I might like you, but I don't really want no title, I don't want none of that because I'm not ready. Now, if I just put myself onto it, like, okay, we can do it, we can try it out, I'm not gonna do right. I say that. I'm not gonna do right because I'm not ready. Bro, it's no point. I'm gonna get into that shit and do wrong. I'm gonna fuck up. I'm gonna mess up. Then I'm gonna be looked up at as the bad guy when I already told you I wasn't really ready for this shit. You feel me? I don't know, bro. It's just been a lot going on. Like, oh shit. I don't know, y'all, man. Like, I don't know. It probably just a me thing, like, bro. And then one thing, I don't lie. So it's like, and anything I say, I don't be in, I ain't saying like in a rude way, but like, females can female would ask me, do you want to fuck with me? You know, I just, tell you what it is, tell you what it ain't. Yes, it can be harsh at times, depending on how that woman, how that lady see you, how that girl see you type shit, but they'll respect you for it. And it's for the men, like the boys out there, like, they'll respect you more if you just be honest, bro. Honestly. And that's one thing about me, bro. I'm not finna lie. I haven't lied, no, at all, like, recently, bro. Because I learned, like, when I was younger, bro, lying don't get you nowhere. Remember that, bro. Now it's like, now I look at it like, what the fuck am I lying for type shit. I don't have a reason at all to lie. I hate when people lie, bro. That's like my pet peeve. Don't lie to me, bro. You lie and then I find out some shit done. Oh, that's relationship, friends. It's like, bro, cause you don't got ain't nothing gonna happen to you. You feel me? Type shit like. People just go. I just know I'm different, bro. I'm different. I know some of y'all might not even understand some of the shit I'm saying because, like, it's in my head and I'm not, the way I'm talking, y'all probably won't even, I'm not telling y'all enough to understand type shit. But it's like, I know. That shit weird, but my fault about that if that's the case. I'm saying you feel me and you know when y'all really don't know type shit. But yeah, man. I don't know, that shit just be on my mind heavy. I be thinking a lot. Spinning shit, spit on my phone type shit. But I don't know. I just be thinking, bro. This bit right here, bro. Smack. Shit goes nuts. I can really eat these bitches every day. Cap as well, I ain't gonna lie. But this shit is hard, right? This shit good as fuck. Another thing, and then what I just talked about, I want to know, like, women or female, like, do y'all agree with, like, do y'all feel like y'all have been in love? Like, answer that question. Have y'all ever been in love? And then answer, how do you know that? Like, on some real, like, then answer, tell me how you knew you was in love. Real shit. Hold on. My damn back hurt. But yeah, man, answer them two questions. Have you ever been in love, and how do you know? Like, I want to know, like, how you know that. How you know you was in love. Not had love for somebody, you cared about them a little bit, but deeply was in love. Like. And I ask because my definition of love, like being in love with somebody, like, as in boyfriend, girlfriend type shit, not no family member, like, wait, that came off, hold on, type shit. Well, obviously, I hope you're not in love with your family member or anything like that, but, like, you can really, really love, because it's like your mom or some shit. But, like, fucking little bitch. But, like, your partner type shit. How do you know you was actually in love with them? Like, or you really in love with them? My definition of being in love with somebody is, like, you put your needs, all of your needs, like, you put yourself, you're the secondary person type shit. Yeah. You're the secondary. Like, they're your main focus. They're your main priority. You put them, like, basically, you put their needs before yours type shit. And then it's like, they're your happy place. You find happiness only with them. That's how now I might not be right with, that's not how, everybody may not think like that, but it's me. So that's why I say I've never been in love type shit. But, like, cause one I just heard some shit. But yeah, that's why I say that. Y'all may have your own opinion, own definition of reasons and shit, but mine, I ain't never experienced that. Motherfuckers that just haven't showed me, like, gave me that, like, for me to be able to do that for them. It's like one little thing with me, out of there. And I'm not talking like, bro, in a relationship, like, I don't give second chances. That's not that. I don't give second chances. It's like, bro, I'm fucking with you. If you did it once, you'll do it again type shit. Now, little shit, it's like, okay, cool. But you feel me? Y'all know what I'm talking about. And it's the same with me, vice versa. Like, if I was to fuck up, I want you to be done with me too. I'm very fair, bro. Not gonna count. If I fuck up, I want you to be done with me too. Real shit. And I feel like everybody, bro, motherfuckers not like that. That shit tough. But that's how I think, bro. Shit crazy. If I fuck up, bro, kick me to the curb. Cause I know damn well, if it was you, and I did something, you did what I did, which was some fucked up shit, I'm out of there. I'm gone, like, you dead to me type shit. I would act like I don't know you. Like, you're a nobody. Like, I'm not fucking, no, that shit over with. You know what happened? We still be cool type shit. So shit's cordial. But other than that, shit over with. Which is like, it is what it is. Then it's like, bro, motherfuckers be like, love to get back at. That's another thing. Motherfuckers love to get revenge and get back at motherfuckers. Damn, I spit all the way over here or some shit. Damn. But motherfuckers love to always get back. Like, how I get back, bro? I don't do all that revenge. Like, I'm not finna get back 2 times harder, 10 times harder. Bro, as long as I played my part, say you did me wrong and I played my part, I played my part. Like, I'm gonna cut you off because you did me wrong. I'm not gonna go back and do what you did to you. I'm not gonna, nah, my get back is you knowing, like, type shit, I ain't deserve it. You feel me? Like, is you like, with that on your mind, you knowing, like, you know the truth. Motherfuckers love to get back. Like, niggas think, even niggas like, yeah, today's society and the world today is very different. Like, girls can't do what niggas do. Niggas can't do what women can do type shit. It's just, that's just how it is. And I'm not saying it's right, but that's just how it is type shit. Like, motherfuckers get looked at differently. So if a nigga get done wrong and he go back and do the same shit you did or worse to try to make you feel bad or anything like that, I feel like that shit ain't cool. You get no cool points. Like, I understand why it was done though. I ain't gonna lie. I understand why it was done. And I'm not finna say that like I've never done that. That's why I've changed though. Like, now as an older person, like, I'm older now, I done grew. It's like, shit don't be worth it. At all. That shit still don't take that hurt away or how you felt away. Probably feel good at the time. That shit gonna go away though. No cap. But yeah, man, I've been fucking this salad up. This shit right here, nigga, is. But y'all like, damn, nigga getting all sentimental and shit. Hey, man, ain't nothing wrong with that. This shit good. I don't even get all sappy. I just be thinking about a lot of shit. I be just talking sometimes. You feel me? I just be talking. Not too crazy. yeah. Y'all remember the comments, those questions, and how y'all feel about that for real. I just want to know. Like, I really want to know some shit. Real. I be helping the nigga out. Y'all don't even know it. Yeah, I be helping niggas out. But I'm finna go put this up, clean my room up a little bit. After my camera battery charge, I'll be back with y'all type shit. I just need to get this shit done before it's really dark outside because I got other shit I gotta do. Gotta go somewhere like, and I gotta work. I don't know what to do, so. But yeah, I'll be back with y'all. Right, give me like 2 seconds. 1, 2. YouTube. Why is it? I know I look rough, bro. What's good, gang, bro? It is 1 something. I'm just now waking up. Like, as y'all can see, I did not, bro. Look. I'm not finished with my room. Stuff everywhere. It's all good though, cause we're gonna get that finished real soon. Feel me? We're gonna get that finished today, man. I had to sleep in. A nigga was tired. You feel me? Like, shit's been crazy, bro. I've been feeling like I ain't been getting no sleep, no cap. Like, I was up all morning yesterday, so it's shit I deserved. I needed that, not gonna lie. But I'm good now. Stink my fat. Hey man, don't get on me for real. I'm just getting I ain't finna freshen up. But that though, today, what I'm finna do, I'm finna get cleaned up, you know, freshen up and stuff. Put on some clothes. I'm finna go to the gun range with my homegirl. My homegirl, man, she cool as fuck. Y'all gotta meet her, bro. Oh God. We finna go to the gun range. She said that she wanna get a gun, so we gonna rent out some pistols and shit so she can know which one, whatever one feel comfortable with her type shit to her hands and which one she like, and then hopefully we can help somebody find a gun today, you feel me? That's really the goal. And I haven't been to the gun range like ever. Anytime I done shot my gun or shotguns, it's been like, you know, feel me, outside or, but we're actually going to a indoor gun range this time, so that'll be fun. I ain't gonna lie, especially just, bro, she funny anyway, so this shit finna go crazy. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, tell me what y'all think about her type shit. Like, she a cool ass person. That's my dog. But yeah, man, I'm finna get ready. I'm finna get up. For real, I'm finna get up, brush my teeth, wash my, wash my butt and shit, and then hopefully we'll be on the way to the gun range. This shit it's like 45 minutes away, I think. 30 to 45. So I mean, it's far, but it ain't too far. Feel me? And it's a good one, so it'll be straight. But yeah, man, let's do it.
Leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, son. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right.
Hey man, I gotta clean myself up, bro. Y'all, like I said earlier, y'all gotta clean yourself up, bro. I be doing this shit every day. Probably every 2 days. Cause my hair, what my hair, bro? That shit go fast as fuck. Like, so I be having to do this shit damn near every day. Not gonna cap. I would tell y'all what. Well, I ain't even finna fade myself. I just need a little tape. You feel me? Take myself up. Put a little enhancements on so I can look. You feel me? Look a little presentable. But now, I go outside. When I said appearance is everything. You feel me? So yeah. Shawty who did my damn two-string too. She did her thing. But these tight whooped, man. These were tight, cause like, man, it's all good though. They look good out here, man. Cause if they tight, I know like they need as fuck. Like she did her thing. I fuck with her. She did her thing. Really. You seeing this shot, you did your thing. Like, you did your thing. But yeah, I'm finish your goddamn, take myself up real quick. Well, try to anyway. I ain't no professional, but finna see what they do. Not all this, the rest of this, you know. But yeah, I'll be back with y'all. YouTube, what's up, gang? So we leaving now. I'm finna go get lit. We finna head to the gun range type shit. Ready to shoot some motherfuckers. You feel me? Not just playing. Actually, the gun I have, I recently. Hold on. The gun I got, or that I bought, I never shot. Like, I never shot my gun. I just never, you feel me? I done shot other guns, ARs, other pistols, but I never shot my gun type shit. So it's like, shit, I'm gonna put my shit in the, get some bullets and, boy, it's hot. Boy, it's hot as hell out here. Hold on, man. Oh. But yeah, we finna go get lit. We finna go to the gun range. Don't mind my car, but this shit might be a little dirty. But hey, told y'all I'm in the process of moving apartments, moving out and stuff. So that's my excuse. You feel me? But yeah, though, go get lit. The gun I bought my gun in like couple months ago type shit, and I never shot that hoe. Like, I never shot that hoe. Yeah. I never shot that hoe because I never needed to, and then I never took it, like, went nowhere to shoot it. I done shot other guns like ARs, you feel me, other pistols, other little rifles, but other than that, I ain't never shot my gun. I never needed it, you feel me? Needed to. But let me not speak too soon, no cap. For real, cause y'all know how it is. Y'all know how it is. I ain't just itching to kill nobody though. You feel me? I ain't no killer. But I like my life over anybody else's type shit. If in that situation, predicament type shit. But yeah, man, enough of that. I'm finna go get, I should go get gas first. No, I'm gonna get her, then I'm gonna go get gas first, and then that didn't even make sense. Hold on, I'm tripping. I'm finna go get her, then I'm gonna go get gas. Type shit. Then we gonna head on the way to the gun range, which I told y'all already, like 30-35 minutes away. So yeah, it's a little ways, but it ain't too far. Trying to let it cool down in here, like it's warm as hell. What the fuck? But yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when we on the way there type shit. After I'm done getting gas and all that extra. I just know this vlog gonna be so long. So much I gotta edit. But yeah, man, I'll be here with y'all boys, y'all young boys and girls. In the camera, bro. Oh my god, I got big lips with me, God.
The biggest.
Acting camera shy and shit.
No, I didn't know.
I got my girl lit, man. We just picked her up, like I said I was.
Follow me on IG.
At
stylish_face.
yeah, all that, okay. But nah, we finna get gas and then we on the way to the goddamn gun range. We gonna shoot some niggas up and shit. Y'all know how.
Yeah, y'all already know what's going on.
Yeah. This girl ain't never shot no gun. Tell me, y'all know what the fuck. You don't even know what's going on.
I ain't never shot in there, but I ain't scared of them.
But yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Finna go crazy. This shit should be funny. I ain't gonna lie. She probably gonna be shooting everything except for what she supposed to be shooting.
Oh God.
Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Who you shot?
I love probably I ain't gonna cut probably shot. Instagram lit. Instagram be lit. Follow me as stylish_face. I'm the biggest. Damn. Not too much. Not too much. Don't got my lashes on though. Eyebrows on point. Look. So we're going to the gun range like he said. I look better. Subscribe to my homie page. Anyway.
No, I did. Oh, you get some of that. We got a boat.
Why you go? So disrespectful.
Somebody ain't even getting no gas, did you?
No, because you didn't get no. I've really been planning this for a long time.
For a long time. Bro, we've been trying to goddamn go to the gun range for like a month, damn near now. Probably more than that. It was like a month.
Yeah, it was a month.
Like a month. We just not going, cause motherfuckers always like to play, you feel me? It wasn't me.
It was most definitely him.
Motherfuckers gonna wake up too late. And like they done forgot.
Bro, he literally texted like
I talked to her the night before.
Saturday ride.
And she don't wake up like 2 o'clock. And knowing my messages, my call, don't answer, just I got something for you though.
Oh, you have an afro. I've been looking for I hear you.
But she had left her AirPod, you know?
Yeah, you could have.
She had left her AirPod
No, I said I would like
in my crib, bro. And I just found it last night. I swear to God. No, I just found it last night. I swear to you. I didn't been have it. Don't dead ass. I just ain't tell you I got it. I found it or nothing like that.
Alright.
But yeah, man. We almost there tight shit. Finna go goddamn pew 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 motherfucking tight shit.
I didn't leave that.
Yeah, I had fun last night. It was on the ground in the bottom by my foot to in the bed.
I don't know how to get up there.
Tell me. But you don't never put your AirPods down. I let me push it.
No, I think like when I get some on my bed or something, I probably do. That's crazy.
But yeah, man, we're gonna be back with y'all when we got them in the gun range type shit. Hopefully, she done picked out what gun and shit she wanna be filming. This shit finna be so crazy. Oh my god.
Hey y'all, stay tuned.
Stay tuned, man. For real, stay tuned. We just got here, y'all. This shit. Yeah, we made this. Who can't drive? Nah, I just was trying to do too much shit at once. Trust me. I'm a better driver than her.
I'm a better driver.
She cannot drive. She know that.
We're doing Savannah.
What? Okay, that shit hit. Tell me, yeah, that shit was talking about. What it say? Before entering, all firearms must be unloaded, encased or bag. All magazines and clips must be unloaded. Bruh, I don't know, them folks. We went into that shit was kind of weird. Like, I don't know, they gave me weird vibes. I don't know how. What this goddamn gun range talking about? Y'all been here before? Nah, nigga, we ain't been here before. What you talking about? Man, we ain't got no choice though. We here now, so shit. We here now. I just want to shoot some shit, you feel me? I just want to shoot something. That's it. Trying to see if I still got it. You feel me? Niggas don't really know I'm really like that. Like, they used to call me John Wick back in the day. Like, back in my day, bro, they used to call me John Wick for a reason. Like, niggas don't know I really like that. I don't think she ready, y'all. She's scared. She's scared. Yeah, she already shaking like.
You ain't gotta be shaking. Let me tell y'all this guy came in, and he was a veteran. And he bought his daughter a .380. And so he went back there and shot. Okay, a .380 take 8 rounds in a mag, right? And so he shot, he had jumped.
Jump? Yeah, let's finna go crazy out here, man. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's me. They used to call me John Wick back in the day. You crazy, you know it. Yeah. She tell my way. Don't shoot now. But imagine these going through you. Like, you can, like, what the hell? These yours right here. You finna get right, though, man.
Pull down. That little hinge right there. Just pull it down and just come out. Come on here. I don't like Walters, man. See, okay. Do it like that. Just pull it down. Boom. Push your little piece down there. Okay. See? Okay. And to load it up.
I like how compact it is.
Yeah,
it's a little.
Want to make a good gun, but they kind of reverse.
Go crazy. Oh yeah, no way. That's what you need to do. Call your back. I can't believe you told him yet.
I did tell him to like make a video and send it to me.
He gonna see it on YouTube. He gonna see it on YouTube. Stop paying. Hey man, we finna go crazy, man. I'm finna put my. I should have bought my tripod because I don't have no way to hold my camera on my phone.
They gonna be laughing.
I'll be back with y'all when I put bullets in. You got it, man.
No.
You got it. This point.
What is you?
Yeah, the dovetail now. Remember, look at the rear sight.
I ain't saying
that rear sight gonna have you focus on that front sight.
Two hands.
Okay. Oh, now, no.
You can't.
Okay, this finger here, don't put that finger behind that because that slide gonna reciprocate. You know what I mean? It gonna come back. So you don't want to skin up your hand because it's gonna come back. When you shoot that pistol, it's gonna come back. It's gonna reciprocate. So, okay.
I know.
Okay, tell you how to do it. This how I shoot, okay? Okay, like this right here. Like that right there. Okay, you see? Ain't nothing back there. You know what I'm saying? So when the slide get ready to come back, it's gonna come back and ain't gonna skin up my hand. See? Try to get your hold like that right there.
All right.
Got me?
I got you.
Okay. Try it and let me see.
All right.
Okay?
Go a little closer, to the.
Okay, there you go. Hold it tight.
Look close.
Hold it tight. Okay? Okay, you focus on what you want to hit on. Okay, let's focus on what you want to hit.
Alright.
Okay.
If I miss, I'm sorry. Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Either one of them. Let's focus. Squeeze that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop playing with her.
There you go. Go ahead.
Stop playing with her.
Go ahead. Okay. Then put at that front sight. Okay? Okay, good. That's good.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You
see your daughter?
Yeah.
Hold on a minute.
Okay,
Yeah.
my daughter got right. Stop playing.
Go ahead and shoot.
They got right. Stop playing. My turn now. Hey man, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get that with y'all, man. She said she wanted to shoot my.
Y'all think I can handle it?
Man, you can't.
Bugs on.
Come on, don't be scared. Wait.
Okay.
She said she want to shoot 9, y'all. My 9. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
Hey, I like it though.
But you see the difference?
Y'all see the difference? There you go. I like it.
Okay.
Go.
Wait, let me go again.
Go ahead. One more time. You got it.
One more time. Keep on
You
shooting.
done? Man, you can't shoot. I'm gonna shoot yours. Okay. They used to call me John Wick back in the day. They used to call me John Wick back in the day.
Thought I was gonna pop that. What I did?
Man.
I did my big one.
No, we just got out the goddamn gun.
I did my big
y'all. My dog just went crazy. I ain't even a cat. She went crazy.
Yeah, I did my big one.
She hit the target like in the middle, like twice, I think.
And I shot him in the head.
I already went crazy. I fuck with that. That shit was crazy,
It was
man.
lit. Like, I ain't gonna count. Like,
that shit was tough.
It was.
I ain't gonna lie, we coming back though.
Yeah, we coming back though. And they were really nice. What name of this place? Cause we highly recommend them. Like, for
10X. It's down in Sparks, Georgia. That shit was
highly recommend.
Yeah.
As for Curtis and Bob, they so nice.
Nah, for real, Curtis, he was patient and
yeah, he was real
taught us
patient.
how to do shit. But
I did my big one. Shot him in the head. Did my big one.
okay.
I did my big one, y'all. I'm really proud of myself. First time shooting a gun.
Damn, man. What you know? Huh?
The puppies.
Oh. Yeah, we hungry. I'm hungry for and I ain't gonna care.
It's hot too. Like,
I can fuck up some pizza. I want Papa John's. You want Papa John's?
I like Papa John's.
Oh, you look like you ain't want that one.
No, remember I ordered Papa John's last? No, I did. I had to order pizza. Yeah, my Papa John's.
Pizza, that shit was straight too.
No, I like Papa
but I want Papa John's.
It's more beef.
But she bougie to the fullest. Like, it's more bougie.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Hey, weird.
But yeah, man, we finna go get some food. I want to should I end it right here?
Okay.
What else am I doing? But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, you feel me? Hope y'all enjoyed the little vlog, you feel me? It was some slight, it was lit. We had our fun. We did our big one, you feel me? We turned up, like, I ain't gonna lie. That shit was like lit, like, bro. That shit was crazy. But if y'all haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Comment on other videos y'all want us to do. You feel me? I might be saying my dog Lex a lot, you feel me?
Period.
Yeah, man, she got the energy for it, you feel me? So, yeah, this my dog, bro.
For sure, for life.
For real, for
life.
Like, yeah, for lifers.
For lifers.
But yeah, man, also comment what y'all thought about the video, all that.
Yeah.
But yeah. We finna head out, man. I'm hungry as hell. I know she hungry as hell, so. Y'all thumbs up the video. It's your boy DJ, Lex, and we out of here.
Bye.